He's not going to get up. No way. He looks terrible. They better get the top.
Ito ang laban ng isa nating kababayan at ginanap sa Barangay Lahug, Cebu City. Kung saan ang Pinoy nga dito ay itong kapatid ni Albert Pagara na si Jason Pagara. Kanyang hinarap dito ang pambato ng Indonesia na si Billy Sumba para sa 10 rounds ng bakbakan sa Super Lightweight Division. Kung saan itong si Billy Sumba ay itinuturing na gatekeeper mula sa Indonesia. Kaya naman isang pagsubok ito para sa Pinoy na si Jason Pagara. Bago magsimula ang laban si Pagara ay may record dito na 24 na panalo, 13 ang mula sa knockout at may nag-iisang talo lamang. Habang ang pambato ng Indonesia ay 18 na panalo, 4 ang mula sa knockout, may 2 talo at 1 tabla. Narito at panoorin natin mga idol, ang mabilisan na laban dito ng ating kababayan.
Malaking bagay yung conditioning training na ginawa ni Pio Solon sa kanya. Mas matigas, feel good, that adds so much, a little bit more combinations and train very hard for this fight. Wow, but look at the...
Really solidly
He
built.
looks taller.
Zumba. But he's a stand-up fighter. You know, you look at him, he stands up very, very straight. Left jab of Pagara and the right hook, which he just threw. But he comes forward. They are fighters like that.
Zumba lost his last fight though last
Sofian Effendi, he would take some.
Pinas.
Pagara working with a good left to the body. But Zumba comes back. Mo si Pagara na being converted into muscle
Yon, ang sabi niya, because of that Pio Solon.
Pio Solon. They don't jog as much as they used to.
Yeah,
Good
they
combination
do a
by
lot of
Pagara.
sprints in the ring. Now you can see transforming.
Good combination. Mahirap ito kasi this weight division is one of the toughest in the world.
140 pounds.
Zumba comes charging forward.
Sabi ng mga coach, this is talagang big test para kay Pagara to see how much he's really developed sa kanyang boxing career. They say he's really improved sa practice. Pero iba na siyempre pag laban na.
Good combination.
Zumba tries to cover up.
Diane, si Pagara has to show his maturity by not getting upset.
Ah!
Oh! Oh, that's over. What a shot. What a shot. He's not going to get up. No way. He looks terrible. They better get the top man into the ring right away.
Really bad call.
That was a bad call. It's out. He counted him out. You didn't even have to count.
Zumba is still down after that.
Where is the doctor?
What a bomb. At pumapasok na ngayon ang doktor sa ring. He hasn't
Mahigit 2 minuto pa lamang ang nakakalipas. Ay isang malakas na left hook ang pinakawalan dito ng ating kababayan na siyang nagpabagsak sa kalabang Indonesian. Makikita sa videong ito na nanigas pa nga dito ang Indonesian matapos tamaan ng Pinoy. Isang patunay na ang boxing ay hindi talaga birong sports. Kung saan, isang napakagandang panalo naman ito mula sa ating kababayan na si Jason Pagara.